Hey guys, in this video I would like to show you how to create a motion animation for your character. So as you can see, I have my character here, which is made up of several parts. If anyone is interested in how to create such a character, you can watch my previous video. I will put a link in the video description. So I have my character here, from which I first had to create a side view. I have already created a video on this topic, you can find it in the description as well. Let's do it. First, we are going to create a group from all the elements and copy them into the new window. Then we will make sure that group of elements is placed in the middle of the workspace. And we can ungroup the group. As a guide, I googled this image that we are going to follow. We will start with the third character from the left, so we are gonna lift our right leg up a little bit. It's gonna take some work, but we can do it. One of arms is a little bit in the way, so we will make it transparent. That's better. Now we have got the legs, let's move on the arms, and that's our first picture. Let's go to the second one. So let's duplicate the first picture. Now we are gonna try to get closer to this character. So right hand back, right foot forward and up. We are gonna have right leg in the way, so I'm gonna make it transparent too. Just left side and we are done. I am duplicating the page again. I'm trying to keep the motion smooth, and I'm checking it by moving back and forth on the timeline. The process keeps repeating until I have the whole loop created. let's delete the pattern image. And we will remove transparency on each page. That looks good. Now we will delete the head. This is because if we want our character to talk while walking, it's better to keep it separate from the rest of the body. After we deleted the head, we can save the images as SVG or PNG, always with transparent background. When we have downloaded our images, we upload them on this page. First we will create an APNG. This is because it's better quality than GIF, otherwise the colors wouldn't match. We check don't stack frames. I recommend playing around with delay time here. This will affect the speed of your animation. It's the frame rate per second. For walking, I recommend a value around 18. I noticed here that the upper right tight is not moving on one frame, so I will go back to Canva and adjust that. As you can see, the problem is on page number 4. That's better. So I will save again and re-upload. I will check don't stack frames again and set the value to 18. That looks better. So I can save now. Now I am going to convert the APNG format to GIF. I will upload the newly created APNG, convert to GIF and download it. Now I can upload to Canva. You will see why we had all the images center aligned. You will simply place the GIF in the center and stretch it to full width. We will put the head in front of the GIF body. We will create a group, and now we will proceed. As we know from previous videos, we will open the animation window and drag the group to where we want the character to go. We will set the movement style to steady. And we will set the timing for both of groups of elements. And we are done with the motion animation. All we have to do is add background and sounds, and we are done. You can see on the animation that it's not perfect. We could add some hip and body movement, but I think it's enough for demonstration. If you are interested in animation in Canva, give me subscribe or leave a comment. It will help me a lot in next creation. Thanks. Bye.